Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been following me on social media, you would have seen a couple of stories a few days back that I'm about to review some Axor gear, riding luggage actually. So today we have the first product. A big thanks to Axor for letting me review their products. So today's product is a tank bag which we'll be unboxing. I'll be unboxing today, and I'll be showing the various features and the quality of materials and what all is there and what all you get in the tank bag. So let's go ahead. This is how Axor sells their tank bags. There is no box included. There is no kind of very less paper used. I mean there would be some sort of reading material inside though, but this is how they sell the product to customers, and I guess this is how it is shipped also. So I got it this way. So this is a neat cloth bag, and you can say this is a unboxing or unbagging. So as soon as you open it, I'll keep this aside. As soon as you open it, this is how the tank bag looks. First impressions, it's made of very good material, decent nylon material, and it's got YKK zippers also. Let's get rid of this balloon. So as you can see, the first thing that you see on top is a transparent case to hold your phone, and the best part is there is also a hole from where you can plug in your power or your earphones as well. So that is one major thing that is there in this. Secondly, if you see on both sides, here and here, there are small pouches where you can carry small stuff, knickknacks, and some loose change if you like to. So coming back to Axor, they have recently launched adventure gear, and this is also part of it. This is a 15-liter tank bag which can be expanded to 18 liters by doing this. So this is the expansion. This is how it is expanded, and I'm just closing it for a while. So when you open it, as soon as you open it, the first thing you see is the rain cover. I'll get back to that. The second thing is surprising because I have not seen a tank bag which comes with this. So this is basically another kind of a rain cover, but if you see, you can put your valuables inside and just close it. It provides extra protection in the rain, and there are various straps inside. I'll get back to this also later. Let me just remove it and keep it out. So this is done, and once I close it, I can just put the rain cover on top. Since the bag is empty, it is folding and it is a bit difficult to put the rain cover, but if the bag is full, it will be very easy actually. So this is how it sits, completely intact. I know it's not straight, but yes, this is how it sits. And there is a transparent patch on top, so that you can, even with the rain cover on, you can access your mobile phone. So let me just remove this, and let me show you the mechanism of putting it on the bike. So if you turn it around and open it, these are two magnets on the top, and then there are two more at the bottom. So this is how it is. I'll be showing the mechanism properly on the bike. Since my bike has a metal tank, I can use the magnets. So if your bike doesn't have a metal tank, what do? You utilize these straps, not this one, this is something else, I'll come back to that. You utilize these straps, you put them down into your frame, and there are double D-rings here on every corner. So these D-rings, you can just put them in and tighten it, and your tank bag is secure. The only drawback with this is, the only drawback that I found with this is that it is not very easy and fast to remove your tank bag. So if you have to remove your tank bag to say fill fuel, you will have to at least remove 2 of your straps and then again put it back. Unlike when there is a magnet, it is just easy to pull it off and fill fuel. So coming back to magnets and straps, there is something else on top. So just because there are magnets or straps, it doesn't mean that the tank bag will not go back in hard acceleration. So what Axor has done is, they have given a small buckle in the front. So this goes into the top yoke of the bike. So the handlebar, the rod in between on the center of the handlebar, you just push it through and then buckle it and tighten it, so that during hard acceleration the bag doesn't slip behind. So very clever and innovative thinking. I don't know if this is present in other bags, but I'll have to check personally. So when I get my next tank bag for review, or when I buy a new tank bag, I will definitely see that. Also, I would like to tell you, follow me on my social media platforms, because there is crazy content, Axor related content coming up, and also there is a big giveaway. The giveaway will be announced on my social media platform. So if you don't follow me, there is a link in the description, please follow me. So this is something that you have not seen. These are hooks which are used to you can put it on anything and use the bag. I mean, you can use it to carry the bag easily. So I am just putting it in these 3 D-rings. You can put it in single D-rings, and it makes the bag easier to carry. However you want, you can just carry it. So that's it. There are reflective, the Axor branding is on reflective strips on either side. Also the piping is made of reflective material, so helps in giving you extra visibility. Also there is a handle to carry the bag also. So these are small things that Axor has done. The most innovative and funny, or the most innovative thing that I found was this small luggage area, which is concealed neatly, and actually it's very safe to keep your belongings inside without protecting it from water actually. So that's it for the review. I'll be mounting it on the bike and showing it to you in a bit. So this is my bike, and you would have seen this in the previous videos. I had just taken it out today, and that is why it is a bit dirty. So let me show you how I would mount the tank bag. My bike has a metal tank, so it is relatively easy for me. So I'm just placing the tank bag, and as you can see, these are the magnets that attach securely on either side. So the tank bag is secure, and in case if I want added security, I just have to take this, it's entangled, and what I'll have to do is loosen it, take it through this, bring it out this way and push it in. So I'll just show it to you. Completely loosened it out. I don't think it will be able to reach, though let's try our best. Man, this thing is heavy. Let me go to the other side. Should be easier. So got it out, but I'm worried about crimping the wires. So it is not a difficult task if you don't have a camera in your hand though. So yeah, it's out, and let me see. It will be a very difficult task to put this. With one hand. Let me still try. Anything for the camera. Yes, successful. So this is how it is, and see, even if there is a huge acceleration, if there is a pull, I am pulling the back behind, but the whole bike is coming behind. So that's how secure this is. And there is a protective patch so that this doesn't scratch your panel also. Very thoughtful Axor, and thanks again for this review unit, and I'm glad this review would help many of you bikers out there purchase the perfect tank bag for your bike. There is also another model in the Axor lineup which is a little bit bigger than this and also has shoulder straps, if I'm not wrong, and that I would want to review that, but then I think this serves the purpose. Both of them are similar models, not much of a difference. Both of them have the same mechanism. Only difference is that that one has got shoulder straps as well included. So that's it for the review, guys. I hope you have liked it. As I said earlier, do follow me on my social media channels, because that is where most of the action happens, especially on Instagram. There is a big giveaway coming up, and follow me on Instagram to stay updated with it. So that's it for now. Stay safe, stay home. I hope you all have taken your vaccine, and maintain social distancing, always wear a mask, ride hard and ride safe. See ya. Bye bye.